Influence here. Today I have the YOLOPark Megatron D16 Cogged bot mode. So here's the pieces, just how they come out of the box. I'm gonna assemble this top down, and then I'll go through the whole review of the figure.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Subscribe. Like I said if you saw my Optimus video, I think Megatron is just a better design in the movie too, and just all around. I just think it's I don't know, I like the design a lot better, so I like this figure better. I don't think it has to do necessarily with the actual figures. I just think it has to do with the design, because they're pretty much similar in articulation and all of that, and they look just like their screen counterparts. So yeah, let's get going. Megatron, let me see if I can get a close-up of his face. You can see face is nice. Go through accessories. This gun right here just plugs in. It's very hard to plug in, but you have the side thing, I guess, kind of minor weapon or thing there, and then you have his signature cannon. Wouldn't be a Megatron without his cannon. And we have the book. Book was the same for both of them. It's not a whole lot to put together, and it's the window. Has the window, also has the product shots here, which I really like, because it shows, if you was in the store, you can see exactly what it looks like. I like when they do stuff like that, because I believe these are retail in some places. You also have the hands. I have different hands on him, but you have just an open rest hand. None of these hands move. You have the open rest hand. They really look nice. You have this that's more like what's going on. I got one of these on him, and I got a fist on him, and you get two of the fist. So there's that. Bring him in. One of the details I really like is this. It looks like a faded sticker. It's the sticker that Optimus gave him, or Ryan Pax, and it looks like, you know, like it was just a little sticker that he stuck on before he got the permanent Decepticon mark from Sentinel. You can see what he looks like next to Optimus Prime, so they look good together. And now let's go over articulation. His head goes down about that much, goes up about that much, can go all the way around, and you can get side to side. I really like his eyes. I assume the final form has red eyes, so that's a pretty cool detail. Arms is kind of loose. It does come out when I'm trying to get him out of here, because this shoulder pad is on an articulating joint, and it moves down like that. So then you can get this all the way up, and you can still get the articulation. I think that's nice that they thought of that. You have the red here. I really like the paint. You got the bicep swivel up in the bicep. He has a double jointed. This comes off sometimes. I don't like that. Some of that stuff can be rectified. You can glue a lot of this stuff on, because it's not impeding articulation if you do, and you just won't be able to disassemble him if that's what you want to do. I don't know who wants to do that, but yeah, he has a double joint, and I like how the joint is. So he does have a little bit better articulation. Maybe Prime had the double joint and I missed it. I don't think, but maybe. And his hands on a ball joint. Fingers don't move, of course. Gun is straight in, so that doesn't move. He does have the same waist articulation. It's articulated at the bottom and at the top up here. So he gets about the same waist bend as Prime. He does get the teacup as well. And you can, I don't want to move it too much because it is pretty tight, but you can move the waist. He has skirts kind of get out the way. Let me see if I can get these all the way out the way. It's hard. So there you go. He has kind of the hurdles, and he can do the full splits. Thigh swivel, double jointed. It's funny. Wait, okay. I think okay. I don't know. I was gonna say oh, maybe this felt like it moved. I thought maybe if you move that out. No, I guess maybe it moves a little bit. So you can, it's kind of double jointed, but I don't know. Prime might have got more for that. Then you have the ankles. The ankles are on, the top of the ankle is on a kind of rocker ball joint thing. I think because of how all of this works, it's just easier to get out of the way, and then you can move that up and move the whole ankle, because the top part you can see right there, and then the bottom part here is on a ball joint. So you get down and you get that movement, and you can get his toe up about that far. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. And he's a pretty good figure. I like the figure. Like I said, I like it better than Optimus, and he's going on my shelf, my Megatron and Optimus shelf. So I have Megatron is outnumbered right now, so he needs some more Megatrons to help him out in the multiverse. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll get over with you in another one.
You know, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.